What's up guys, I'm Han. Today I'm going to show you guys how a wall full or a wall flip 360. Before you guys try this, make sure you guys do it somewhere safe and make sure you guys are warmed up. You can have like a gym where you have mats, you know, somewhere that's soft, you have your own bed or sand, somewhere that's soft so before you try outside so you don't get hurt. I'm going to show you guys one real fast and we'll get started. Okay, the first step is make sure you find a wall that's grippy, guys. Always check if the wall is grip, that has grip, so you don't slip. I've got to say that for all my other wall trick tutorials. Make sure the wall has grip to it. After you find a wall that has grip, then you got to find out what's the strong leg. I'm going to be teaching my right leg, so if you're the left leg, just do everything I say except the other way. Same for the twisting. I twist to my left. If you twist to your right, you're doing everything I said the other way. Find your strong leg, so my right leg. After you find that out, it's the running up. You can get running up or you can walk up to it, however you want to do it. I like to walk up to it, run. Then you're going to plant your right foot on the wall. Hip height, not too low, not too high, you know, comfortable, wherever you're comfortable, guys. You know. Make sure your ball of the feet's on the wall. You need slightly bent after you plant your foot. Also, there's two ways of doing this too. I'm going to be teaching just my strong leg, pushing off my right leg. Some people can, another way is some people like to run up to it, put their left foot, and then they kind of like to swing their right leg and that. There's two ways of doing it. Whatever your way is, you kind of find out what you're more comfortable, then do that. So let's go back. After you plant your foot, hip height at the wall, you should be swinging arms back right away, same time. So you're going to be running while you're walking, plant it, swing arms back, plant, swing arms back. After you swing arms back, you plant, you're going to push up and out. You don't want to push straight up because you don't want to be too close to the wall. And also you don't want to push straight back because then you won't have enough height, guys. So you're going to push off, up and out. You're going to swing arms up to you at the same time while you look at the wall. And you should be leaning back too, guys. After you're pushing up and out, swinging back, you should be leaning back a little bit. Then after that, you should be wrapping. It's a twist. You're going to wrap over to the left to your shoulder like this, like a punch over to your shoulder. Swing arms up, punch over your shoulder, looking over your shoulder too. At the same time, after you're pushing off, then you should bring both your legs, your left foot, together. And you should spin, guys, horizontal. So let's go back slowly. You're going to run up to it, walk up to it, swing arms back, punch your foot, hip height, knee slightly bent, ball of your feet. Push, swing, push up and out at the same time. Wrap, look over your shoulder, wrap. Arm should be like this, like an X. Wrap over your shoulder, punch over your shoulder. You should spin, now it's a landing, guys. You should see the ground, guys. You know, you should feel it. You know, when you spin, when you feel like you're going over, you should see the ground. Feel it. Open up. On the ball of your feet, always, guys. Not flat-footed, ball of your feet. Knees slightly bent. Looking at the ground, you should spot it. You know, you should land nice and sweet, guys. You know, so let's go back slowly, and then I'll show you guys one last time. So run up to it, walk up to it, punch your foot, arm swing back, push up and out, swing up at the same time. While you're pushing up and out, leaning, you should be leaning back too a little bit. Wrap, release, land nice sweet. I'll show you guys one last time. Alright, hopefully that helped you guys out. Leave a comment. I'll see you guys next time.